Hi, I'm Cheryl, and here's what's coming up next week on the Sewing Room channel. On Monday, I'll show you a variety of ways to make fabric Christmas tree ornaments. On Wednesday, it's your tip of the week, and I'm going to show you an easy way to match up your plaids and stripes. On Thursday, I'm going to show you some clever ideas for Christmas towel projects. On Friday, I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas quilt as you go project. Well, I hope you are as excited as I am about next week's videos. Now, for beginners sewing projects, check below your YouTube screen for those video links. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. I'll see you next week. Happy sewing! If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl. This is Manny. See you next time.